Hi guys, welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? We are cooking our special spaghetti. Yes, I call it special spaghetti because I use my reserve sauce. Yes, if you check my previous video, you know how I prepare my reserve sauce. And in this spaghetti, I use sardine as well. Yes, and it tastes so nice. You can as well follow this recipe and try it out. Please guys, if you're just joining my page, any comment, any like, any subscribe, your subscription, your comments keep me going. Yes, I love you guys. So now we're adding the salt, so please just check the video and see the step. Yes, and check the step. Now our spaghetti, wow, is ready. Yeah, this sauce so good. Wow, thank you guys for watching. Bye.